Good morning, students. This is an online class video of date 8/8/2020. As you know that we have started with chapter number 5, so we'll go ahead in chapter number 5. Okay. Now, question number first, second, fourth we have done. So we will start with question number 5th now. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Now in this the AP is given to us, that is arithmetic progression is given to us. We need to find out the number of terms. Means we need to find out the value of n. Okay, n कितना है, कितने terms है वो हमको find करना है. So as I told you in the previous lecture as well that if they have given this AP to you, then last term will become your an. Last term will become your an. Okay, remember this point. Now I'll take you to the solution part of it. As you can see the solution part. Now I've written 7, 13, 19 up to 205. First term is 7, that is a is equal to 7. D, T2 minus T1, so second term minus first term, you will get 6. And as I told you that last an is equal to 205. Okay, so a value of an will become 205 and we will find the value of n. So we know the one formula which we are using since the beginning of this chapter, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we will put the value of all these terms in the equation. An is equal to 205, then 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. Okay, now I can take 7 that side. So 205 minus 7 will become 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Now this 6 is in multiplication with this. If I take this 6 that side, it will become division. Okay, ये 6 multiplication में उस side लेके जाएंगे तो it becomes division. So 198 upon 6 is equal to n by 1. If you divide 198 by 6, you will get the answer 33. So 33 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to, I will take 1 that side. So n is equal to 31 plus 1, 34. So we got the value of n is equal to 34. Okay. Next, second one. Second one is given to you 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 up to minus 47. Okay. So the second solution of it. Again, first term is 18, second term is T2 minus T1. So now this 15 1 by 2 can be written as 31 by 2 as well, because 15 2s are 30 plus 1 31 by 2. So 31 by 2 minus first term is 18. So 30, and you take the LCM of it, it becomes 31 minus 36 upon 2, that is minus 5 by 2. It will become minus 5 by 2. And an is equal to, as I told last term, so minus 47. Okay. Now we'll put the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll put the value, instead of d we'll put minus 5 by 2. We'll take 18 that side, so it will become minus 65, 5 by 2. Now this point is very important to understand that if I take this multiplication that side, it becomes division, right? So it becomes minus 65 divided by minus 5 by 2 is equal to n minus 1. But now this is a rule of maths that when you want to convert this division into multiplication, you can reciprocal it. इसको reciprocal कर सकते हो. So this is what I have done. I have converted this division into multiplication. It becomes reciprocal. We cut the value. You got minus 13 minus 2 is equal to n by 2. Minus n minus 2, it becomes 26 is equal to n minus 1. If I take 1 that side, so it becomes 26 is equal to n plus 1. So n is equal to 27. So by this you can get the value of n. So this is question number 5. Now question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is the term of AP 11, 8, 5 and 2. So they have given the value of they have given the value of it, and we need to check that whether it is AP or not. Okay. So AP, now this also what we'll do, we'll assume that an is equal to 150. हम लोग क्या assume करेंगे that an is equal to minus 150, and after solving this thing, if we are getting the value of n, the natural number, because n should be a natural number, if we are getting the value of n is a natural number, then we can say that it is an AP. Okay, so we'll put the value an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, minus 150, and we'll put the values in the equation. This is 1 minus 161. If I take it that side, it becomes division, but answer is coming in decimal points, that is 53.66. If answer is coming in decimal points, that means it is not a natural number. If n is not a natural number, then we cannot say that minus 150 cannot be the term of AP. Okay, but term of AP nahi ho sakta. Okay, last 7th one. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, so this is the solution part of it. Now 11th term can be written as 10 plus a plus 10d. Term 11 can be written as a plus 10d. So I will write a plus 10b is equal to 38, and 16th term can be written as a plus 15th d, that is 73. I have given first and second. Now we will do elimination method. With the help of elimination method, we will find a plus 15d is equal to 73 and a plus 10d is equal to 38. This sign will be changed. As we know, in elimination the sign is going to change. This a will get cancelled. 15d minus 10d is equal to 5d. Then if you done, this will become 35. By this you will get the value of d is equal to 7. Putting the value of d is equal to 7 in any of the equation, ये दो में से कोई भी एक equation में you can put the value. I have done in first one. A plus 10d is equal to 38, and put the value, you will get the value of a. Now if you got your a, you got your d, then you can find out the value of T31, that is a plus 30d. So minus 32 plus 30 into value of d, and you will get the answer T31 is equal to 178. This is question number 7. Okay, copy down this in your notebook. Okay, thank you.